wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best rain barrel diverters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. Based on a classic British design and configured to fit American downspouts, the Gardener Supply Company boasts an unobtrusive look. It needs to be mounted to the side of the house, so if you have a brick or stone facade, you may want to go with a different option. It comes with a 5-foot leader hose and is made of powder-coated steel. However, it is difficult to close for the winter. At number 7, for those whose homes are affixed with standard 2x3-inch or 3x4-inch downspouts, the Rain Reserve Basic will fit easily into any foot-long gap. It filters out leaves and other debris before delivering to your storage system. It includes an expandable plastic hose and a Do Not Drink sticker, but note that it's not designed to be painted. Coming in at number 6 on our list. Available in a range of finishes that includes antique ivory, royal brown and Grecian green, it won't be hard to find a version of the Gutterworks offset to match your existing system. This simple option comes in 3 sizes, so it fits into most rectangular downspouts. It's a customizable 4-piece arrangement that can drain directly into a bucket. However, it is overpriced for what you get. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Rain Barrel Diverters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, for a simple solution that won't break the bank, consider Save the Rain by Great American, which installs into your existing gutter's downspout. Its hinged design allows you to quickly flip it closed when your reservoir is full. It's constructed of galvanized steel and takes paint well, but note that you have to be home during rain to close it. Halfway up our list at number 4. Designed for easy installation, the aquabarrel kit comes in 3 sizes to match the most common downspout standards, both rectangular and round. If needed, you can also order it with a special set of drill bits for turning any plastic container into a home reservoir. The hose can be cut to size easily and it includes all the necessary hardware. However, it doesn't come with a debris filter. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Designed to match the look of most homes' drain pipes, the Oatey Mystic Collection system is made of white, unadorned PVC. It can be painted if you prefer it in another color and attaches easily to any standard hose, including the one it's packed with. It won't degrade in the sun and directs debris away from the barrel, but there's no overflow protection. At number 2, the cleverly designed Fiskars diverterpro kit goes beyond its duty of collecting water from an existing gutter system to help you channel any overflow away from your home's foundation. It also has a built-in filter that's easy to remove for cleaning. This one includes a spout and 2 adapters, along with a window to check if the filter is full. It can be connected to 2 barrels. And taking the top spot on our list. Even if you're not handy, the Earth-Minded DIY is a project you can tackle. It comes with everything you need to set up a collection system, from special hole-punching drill bits to an outlet spigot. Just supply your own container and get harvesting. It includes a convenient hole cover for winter, and the patented design prevents overflows. It comes with helpful illustrated instructions too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Rain Barrel Diverters, or simply click beneath this video.